Molweni manene nawanenekazi, ndiyanamkela apha kumnokhaya. Namhlanje ndifuna ukunikwazisa kulo mhlobo wam. Hello, what is your name?
Molo, Uti.
Ewe, kakuhle ngesiXhosa kanti, ewe.
My name is Mary Jane. As a jazz musician, in South Africa, I play South African jazz. And so I often need to play a range of music, and I love playing a range of music, but that includes some Xhosa songs.
Why is it that someone like yourself,
Yeah.
who's from an Afrikaans-speaking background, is now wanting to produce music in isiXhosa?
Just a respect for the history of the music and where it came from. It came from a multitude of different cultures and people, and representing it properly. And yeah.
Just from our side, from an isiXhosa side, we thank you for promoting Xhosa music. Okay, so now we are going to unpack the lyrics of Yakhalin Komo.
Okay.
So which words are you most grappling with at the moment?
I think the pronunciation of some of the clicks.
And a lot of people, that's what a lot of people like. Why is isiXhosa so difficult? And you hear these phonetic combinations, you're like, you're like, oh,
And
what?
quickly,
Yeah,
it's
and
now
quickly.
and then, yeah,
It's
yeah.
like totally.
Amatole.
It's
Okay,
like
that sounds-
You've got to feel your breath with a TH.
Oh, you've got to.
Amatole.
Okay,
Yes.
amatole.
Hluku, hla. And it's when you shake something, so especially like amasi, when you hlukuhla amasi, you have to hlukuhla amasi because it separates.
Okay,
So
okay.
you hlukuhla, when you shake something, you hlukuhla.
Ejakula, amatole, ibiteka.
Mhm,
Wasinu mama,
mhm.
yakalinkomo.
Okay, kakuhle, kakuhle.
Well, this was amazing, just having the opportunity and time to learn. So thank you so much, Bruce. I appreciate it.
Kulungile, only a pleasure. And it was wonderful, wonderful,
Yeah,
really
thank
is.
you. Yeah,
What a privilege it is for me to engage with someone of your magnitude, you know?
thank you.
Yeah.
And then I also would want to say to your listeners, and I've been practicing this, but it means a lot for me to be able to just share isiXhosa with you. So I just wanted to say, Nkosi ngexaso yakho.
Oh, kakuhle, ala, hey. Yo.
Yeah, thank
Ewe,
you.
ke manene namanenekazi baphulaphuli bethu. Ndifuna ukuthi kuni siyayibulela nyhani lenkxaso yenu. uMary Jane apha ngumculi ozama kakhulu ukuzisa imiculo yethu yakwaXhosa. Nangakumbi imiculo umculo ovela kwixesha lentsinizelo, ixesha ebelinzima apho kubomi bethu. Phofu kubomi bootata noomama bethu, nookhokho bethu. Kodwa ke siyabulela kakhulu ngokuza ukusimamela ngaloo mhla omhle kangaka. Salane kakuhle, sizonibonana kwakhona.